Tulsi health benefits. The Ayurvedic herb for body wellness. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is one of the most revered herbs in Ayurveda. Known as the queen of herbs, it holds a very special place in Indian households, not just for its spiritual significance but also for its immense health benefits. The sacred plant is rich in medicinal properties and has been used for centuries to promote overall well being. Let's explore the powerful health benefits of Tulsi and understand why it is considered a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine one by one. The number one is boost immunity and fight infections. Tulsi is packed with essential oils, flavonoids, and antioxidants that strengthens the immune system. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it effective in combating common infections like cold, flu, and respiratory illnesses. The regular consumption of Tulsi tea or leaves help the body fight against pathogens and enhance natural immunity. How to use it? Chew 4 to 5 fresh Tulsi leaves daily or drink Tulsi tea made by boiling the leaves in water. Number 2. Supports your respiratory health. Tulsi acts as a natural expectorant, helping in the treatment of respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis, and congestion. Its anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic properties provide relief from symptoms like cough, cold, sore throat, and breathing difficulties. How to use it? Mix Tulsi juice with honey and ginger for relief from cough and congestion. Inhale the steam infused with Tulsi leaves for clearing your nasal passages. Number 3. Reduce your stress and anxiety. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is classified as an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body actually to adapt to stress. It regulates your cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promotes mental relaxation. Consuming Tulsi tea regularly can help reduce anxiety, improve your mood, enhance your cognitive function. Now, how you can use it? Drink Tulsi tea 1 or 2 times a day to relieve stress and calm your mind. Number 4. Enhances heart health. Tulsi is known for its cardioprotective properties. It helps reduce high blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries. The antioxidants in Tulsi also protect the heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. How to use? Include Tulsi tea in your daily routine to promote cardiovascular health. Number 5. Improve digestion and gut health. Tulsi stimulates digestive enzymes and help in better digestion. It prevents bloating, acidity, indigestion, other gastrointestinal issues. The antibacterial properties of Tulsi also keep gut infections at bay. How to use? Drink Tulsi tea after meals to aid digestion and prevent bloating. Number 6 is regulate blood sugar levels. For those suffering from diabetes or risk of developing it, Tulsi can be highly beneficial. Studies suggest that Tulsi helps regulate blood sugar level by improving insulin function and reducing insulin resistance. How to use? Drink Tulsi infused water every morning to maintain your balanced body blood sugar level. Number 7 is aids in weight loss as well. Yes, Tulsi boosts your metabolism, helping in weight management. It also aids in detoxification by flushing out the toxins from the body and reducing the water retention. How to use it? You can drink Tulsi tea with lemon and honey for a metabolism boost. Number 8 is promote skin and hair health. Tulsi is packed with antibacterial and antifungal properties that help combat acne, blemishes, skin infections. It also strengthens your hair, reduce dandruff, and prevent premature graying. How to use? Apply Tulsi paste on acne-prone skin for a natural remedy. Use Tulsi infused oil for scalp nourishment and hair growth. Number 9 supports liver and kidney function. Tulsi has detoxifying properties that makes it very versatile. As it is used to help to cleanse the liver and kidneys, it aids in flushing out toxins, preventing kidney stones, and improving your liver function. How to use it? You can use it by drinking Tulsi juice with warm water for detoxification. The last one is act as a natural pain reliever. Tulsi possesses analgesic properties that help reduce pain from headaches, arthritis, and menstrual cramps. Its anti-inflammatory nature make it a natural remedy for chronic pain relief. How to use it? You can drink tulsi tea with ginger for pain relief. Now the conclusion part is that tulsi is truly a miraculous herb that benefits the body in multiple ways. Whether consumed as a tea, juice, or in its raw form, this Ayurvedic treasure promotes holistic health and well being. Incorporating tulsi into your daily routine can enhance immunity, reduce stress, improve your digestion, and keep the diseases at bay. So, you have to start your journey towards consuming the tea which is infused with tulsi or leaves or any other way that you like to incorporate tulsi into your life and lead a journey that's toward a better health with tulsi. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video and love watching the videos which are related to health benefits, definitely subscribe to my channel and do like to my video as well, and do comment down below so that I can get to know what you else want to look into health benefits and health related content. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the upcoming and the next video.